My husband, they make me the verse. That is why I am here. And after the reconciliation, you guys know now, I told you guys that I hands up. I gave up, that I don't want again. Let me face my life. If now it go be the end of my life, let it be. Let it be. But if God say not be in, say there is still life after here, let it be.
Guys, good afternoon, guys. Please subscribe to Lady TV blog for more updates. Let's listen to Esther O. Etokbaye.
My husband, they make me the verse. That is why I am here. And after the reconciliation, you guys know now, I told you guys that I hands up. I gave up, that I don't want again. Let me face my life. If now it go be the end of my life, let it be. Let it be. But if God say not be in, say there is still life after here, let it be. Let God have his way. In a church, but there's so much belief in God. Let it go. Then he begged and said, no, my wife. Let's come together. A matter no soon with social media, why am you? Why bleach as one? Why am you? At the end of the day, from a matter no don't lave. Now, do when you will no vije na soon, but me wa me. Because ana ye kwe matter lele ku o na ga obije. But you cannot force anybody to do what they don't want to do. It doesn't matter. Say because say now you they married these two women, they must play. No be must. It doesn't matter that we must know. If we don't want to, it not me say we be enemy. It not me say if we just say no. You as the husband, now you marry us. Anything we say may we do, we go do. But when it comes to say me with a no, he said no. You go live on like that. No me say your house not settled. Before you conclude say you want marry two wives, you suppose know say any hit will come, you go feel and do. You suppose know say any IB, I go feel maintain the two side. Do where you go feel make sure say anything on go allow well, anything on go allow well, and you go get peace. They no need to come they play. You go on a rogue. I am not in the same house with you. You go this one, you go make a day okay. You go make this one day okay. Everybody go day okay. When this matter happened, and then after every settlement, and I came back, I said, okay, let us continue, as you said. All the now social media if it happen, not before it's not talk of say I can't expose secret. Social media not so no. Now social media right and put say I know they do again. Now social media if I talk and say if I not doing go by itself. All of na here now. All the things I said out of anger, if you want to do again, because not be me cursing. Now curse everything. Me, I need peace. I want everybody to be okay. But at the end of the day, I barely me and no one to leave me. At the end of the day, now since where the whole marriage and everything, when make things, when make them come they see what they cut. Now since spoiler. Now they see follow come when they come they see what they want cut, what they don't want cut. Not be me, not be from me come because even inside the dance, I try to make everybody happy. Now see cursing. When they see what they talk, when they want cut, at the end of the day, out of anger, I say, hey, you go redo the marriage, you go do this one. After everybody don't talk, everybody don't beg and everything, I say, okay, we are happy. Why you on your problem now? Now don't waste you go. Agwaligo na ya mama gbo. Agwaligo na ya we business na me na make you go. Na me na do a waste here. Angara anything. I don't need it. I don't need it. And I gave you my rules. I gave you my rules and my regulation. Not be by force. Come on, I go snap picture for where they for snap picture. It cause big problem. A hotel, you want a boy, when I go ya rent and I low. Make it low. Me give you my money, c'est problem. Okay, at the end of the day, they said they need space. They said they need space. Everybody there your space. I know say yes, you be this person. I know say you be this person. Let everybody maintain their space. That is what they ask for. And you have to respect the wish for peace to reign. They need space. Respect the space. And we agreed. And we agreed. Now so we tell the manager. And so we tell the doer. Everybody is fine. Everybody's okay. You don't need this person around. I don't need this person around me. I need space. That is what she... Your duty as a husband is to give the space she deserves, that she asked for. By force, I have a relationship. By force, I have a lomaku. By force. Where is my power bank? Need the play. And everybody really knows. Not true. Now me the final. Because I believe in when the play there, between the both of us, the man go get peace, he go happy. Now me the final. I have begged. I have done everything possible. I have done everything possible. I have begged. Let us embrace peace. And you, now space. She did not ask for much. Space. And that is it. Okay. I gave you my rules. This is my second coming, sir. I don't want wahala. She don't ask for her space. I don't need problem. And since I don't do within my power, I not work, I don't want her to feel like I am disturbing her, or if without the relationship or the friendship, I will die. Nobody they feed anybody. Respect is reciprocal. It's just a sign of respect. As person, okay, my elder, okay, I need to respect. I need to calm down. That is it. Not that because of anything or what I want to get. But since it is not working, let us respect each other's wish. Space, space, space. Anywhere I did, no. Everybody with your space. Now we do. Now we did. But if my husband can tell outsider the truth, I deserve to know the truth. Okay? That is why I'm doing this live video, because I am angry. I am angry. If my husband can tell outsider the truth, I deserve to know the truth. Because una day life, when I want to say, I don't want to make you call any presenter again. You know me say you the quarrel with them. You don't need to go there explain yourself. Because in the process of explaining yourself, you go come see error. Now, what thing I beg my husband, I tell us if you do, I go saga you. I don't sabi lie. I don't sabi come they pretend. If you do them again, I go saga you. You don't need to explain to anybody again. Anything they want to believe, let them believe. Anything they want to do, let them do. What have changed since this whole thing? Nothing. Why you they bother about waiting person want talk? Not be saying a lie. Oh. Even because of my husband. So many nonsense. Why for not they involve? So many nonsense. When I define myself, where I'm not supposed to involve, I'm not supposed to get close to that area at all. But because of him, I will find myself in that mess. I go begin to ask myself, how did I find myself in this mess? Because I don't remember when this thing not concern me. I'll call the house. How this thing take concern me now? When it can't be saying me confine myself for this mess. I will pity myself. I will just pity myself. So the people they talk say, waiting in they use me they do. You know they use the other one they do. Waiting in they use the other one. I'll just laugh. I'll say, well, they don't know what they talk. They talk with it, they don't know. Everybody cannot be the same. Nobody they send me message. Nobody can tell me, say, go out and do this or go and talk this. Nobody, not even my husband can send me to go and saga anybody. Nobody. If they tell me, say, don't do it. You see this last one, so he threatened. You know what's called threat? He threatened. So that he knows I dey fear him. He knows, say if he talk to me, I would shake, I would fear. I know do one. But it's shocking. Say this one, I not listening. As he threatened rich, I not listening. If there's anything they are hiding for you, any secret, if you get anything where you tell them, even if not my matter, you tell them, you they fear, say they'll come talk. If you like, they say, I don't love Esther. Oh. I don't marry out of pity. Now, what to do? I don't marry out of pity. I don't love her. If you gossip with a person like that, make them come talk. Me, I love you. For relationship, either the woman love the man or the man love the woman. I say rich. The love not go fit be equal. Okay, now my own way I pass at least. Because no matter how person go greet the rich for this, I say because of money, may you marry you no love. But if you can't decide to go say you go tell person say you not love me, say na pity you take marry me, he's fine. Me I love. Then what you call they hide? When you call they call them, don't call nobody again. You don't need to explain to anybody. Because if you like explain from now till tomorrow, what did they believe? Now they still believe. What did they believe? Now they go still believe. And in the process of explaining yourself, because you know what I mean, the saga, you want to explain yourself. In the process, you go see error again. You go see come talk with you not supposed to talk, where they can't go play. You go see go talk with you not supposed to talk. Now, why I am angry is this. You as a man, I said to if they talk say who get respect pass for this life, who want to pass, and later some two humble. He humble be man need no matter mama. He may respect he. He man no matter mama. He mogi he gyo no ma. But what mama give me you. Emi ya ni vio no wa return eh. He am here where ya. Emi ya no benefit for me. We am here where ya. Why come mama give me you. Edi na me you. Utie mozo ute weti zuo me weti ho ni ma aku okpa o se va aku okpa kon okpa ni ko yato ti te kon. Now we have been like that, everybody with you, and I told my husband respect her wish, let everybody be okay, and you said okay. E pa di mo fi wa talk be baba e live video no by me ne Frankie who oteme tamame. Oteme call him where anya to no we here lady of song. In a way to we make here. Away but a Frankie where or that from where time me where a tell what you were here when he enter mama. But in my believe eh. Now make a guy lady of song or go bad time. Okay. Ne beti me mamyo oteme ewe bwake call him oteme no rewe na ine me mamye di video na because me beg guy ni ine but e ma tebe guy gume but in ma guy gume ina we ime watch a live video re Monica na oge na tebe him no sunu na oge no ga o kian ba ite la o beti mi o be na do sun na ila yin na ya we mi ni o ime na de ona geleta ya watch a meeting Monica o ya then ekeni mana gwani o wana send me gume o temo we o I send e gume na we make be o we a power or we life ni lao na make be ge pa na we e wa block because he setting it a law o we ina okay in pa ni aya ge gume ya ge ina send the link like phone we me ina send the like phone we me na ina lao ina gele do wash e ina do me wo tie where we the voice record where a to where or we me here ina okay when no say any hana do la den pa do saga da for me na no na go we gun o no na go we gun but in one ene le go ma ro pa gun e live video na one because even social media ri okwe no ri ene yan gi e no ri okwe presenters or gi e no ri okwe presenters or ri okwe no ri ene presenters or ri ene yan gi e presenters e family log representer opa e family yen representer we presenter so imem no go ye call ave presenters imem no go call a presenter so imem ni go call we be na pa Emini egu call we or you be call we no ya be temata ma ona you be toge ma we imemi no go toge ma we because u fi ne wo onu call pa u temata ma tisu onu gun a enu toge ma u temata ma so imemi no go call we pa because the time wo ga ye call any presenter to explain himself he can saga then Ore Frankie ni no teme we Frank Etani wo ha me we eto owo we making what good time me Frankie radio. Now I want to explain a Tony Venoyari. Since we in Yemet emino odoane uwu Iyan saga ime wo wa mabe we na gwan mabe we gwan wo wa mabe we emino sunu before me kebe so ahie Tony me bu we beta we me wi me awa mo to na ladi aso ahie Iyan ga isaga me ba gbon mabe we na gie yo mana gossip yan Iyan ga isaga me ba gbon Iyan ga ize boli mabe sere we sera ade ma ize buena koko waguketo bi gba breaking news o le di o son kiketo breaking news ina wo ga ize ton iyan na we yi trust yan mana kokota make it baby Nigeria we know and he can't take be smart igbe o he can't take be smart but I am very very smart I know also any big bona masewie do because in yezo ya dweki ezo makaki business is business they don't play with it with their business not by here table but I don't know maybe let me not go there then mewe mawo o maneku yen gi meku because we man di kume yen magwalo ni marie space ni me mo now I may agree your name now moti assume yo laonia now may agree now we no more everybody maintain your space no more I don't tire I don't try my best I don't fit again maintain your space as you wish we don't want and so it be in the process of standing by that rules and regulation of maintain your space is that emi no geria emi ni ye wo ge ni mweria emi ni ye wo na mie bae ni mweria emi ni ye wo dafima or invest yo or dafima invest yo or dafima origo yo ani go avele bare o dafome me biebo o be yari bae o be yawe mi igo le ba lawa o wo dafima ogimeno o wo dafima ogiyeno emi no dafima riri ame ogimano emi ni meme ogo dafomeno emi ni yeme ogo dafimano okon ma bieyo o saloba we abieyo emi ni my hame ogimano when no say no na ogima because a family ni ode erioe in my ya ton dafimamo until my working machine or emi no go to my working machine or we are no me go be now no me be 5 million ya mi ere ladan go please go darling go or ya mi ere ladan you have been not by 5 million or mi ere ladan sorry darling sorry I'm sorry okay so emi ni yegi invest jine meseti kwenoria rule down wetin mu owu or rule down with my woman ni gbaku emi no invest ji ni medori ya ewa eke ni menari ya emi ni wa eba menari ya ogo dafi mewa emi no manote lawa eba menamweria wa kokodolo waji but I cool I see kegbe e da oge metene bandoge ri ogwalo eji but o mami we emi no ma di wa ni mweria ni gban efo a ema mo vatigunme iu as far as it no no iroba he o ma we wivi keka wa no we wivi iroba he no wivi no wa o e be kin oni yen be kin oni na yuma o etono as far as etono iu ugbese ki le lian price no make na he ni no bia make na he we gini go ni ateta igo na o tebe la me po ina we igo na tebe la me po my price no agree to pay anyway Mama, when I get in when I'm making one so yet you well, but we are mama agree. It will veil off. Iwe. Because a can now wear when I see the medigan. Because he got your da for me digging, be me see digging. A cure women garia, or affect that for me. I be what my a cure women are ya. Or affect that for me. Or affect that for me. Because of that day, other for me, I go no way do yo. If I don't know affect it, so I must do everything possible to make sure it is okay. Or see any name job. He more vateto me and muri. Now, or dafime in deto. Ni akeye Vietnam or deto. Eri otama me. Imale lianjo. Emi no tama me no. Imale lianjo. Otama me we in invest. In we deto wo binye. In we deto wo binye. Cause in ijo le lejo. You know do me we a business now we have a way. So but orien ni de na. Ore o se yen de. Imani kien we do de. Yen de. Owo binye. O wi yen de. Wa dam yo se o wa ni matanisin. Owo binye. Odore yen have dorin yen have hion. Yen have mie iro again iwo. Yen na de. Orive de on have degume na lo kekan. Me mujuna ma yigo de. Yon do egume. Ma yigo de. E non se on a do me we. I gave loe. E fancy me na be bege. Iyan like iyan be do de. Because so many times in alweto iyan mu egiyan we ne lady of song lo na. E iyan de. Iyan kinia. So iyan be te iyan be view me be joy. Oh yeah, na kind of advert. No be me we aguyan de. Even when he open to me, they tell me say, this when I give you when I come that day people when see people when why you joy, why you roy. Immediately why joy, na wa ko yen wa re your master kin ma ya wa do ebun. O da fin mo tan mi me na. Ipa en ti a wa do ebun. Yen wa roy. Yen umaye jono na, imaye ki no na because umaye ji okay ya join next week so that me am making a do. I dey the buy with my money. I dey buy. I get plenty. I dey dash people anyhow. Even the one when I go buy for another place, where now people go find out go there because they feel I buy from there and you know I not they buy for another place. I buy from there, but I sometimes they follow person they buy. Say bring and like am. Iya patronize abi be can abi guess ni jamezi jeni. Iwe bring and ya do ya joke buy your gba baby jano mabe. But even though say we know they play. Anyhow where I see say she take do advert, I like am because I dey see different bloggers they carry am. I go screenshot and go send and give my husband. I beg this hair so I like am. Take money buy and come for me. I know they care. Say we know they play. May I go buy her from that place. I still buy from her. Now she I dey see as we dey talk. Now she I dey buy from. Thing as we dey talk. I will give my husband money, collect and come for me. Ilele mi na gbonta. Igwe de to. Egin ya fian wo mu. Egin we no pa. Emi no pa sunu dame because Maria boss hello boy, Maria bo ma. Then when I dey come, you told me I know so now they go Vietnam. Now I go buy her. I know. You told me. I don't want to go into details about that. Then, you beg me. Hey, where you buy for grant, won't affect go. My claim it since. And you want to go and claim it now. And you need money, join money. And the ones where you not affect buy, can small seed day for your own. Where you buy for your own. Small seed day. Where you never sell finish. So as I dey go abroad, so I beg get me seller. I said, okay. You pack and come for me. As you pack and come for me, what did I do? I know say people like saga. And saga they help for business. I know say Saga dey. If na no, Saga dey help for business. I say okay. If you bring am, I know if you say I come buy my husband hair. Or me I come say I come buy hair word hair. Because I know they sell hair for hair word. Now my husband they sell hair for. Now he give me hair for your own hair where he buy. Now so he tell me. Say the hair where he buy, where he dey sell in me. Make I help and sell am. You not tell me say na hair word hair. If to say you still tell me say na hair word hair, I go still sell am. And you as my husband, you know. That's why una they call me mumu. But I not be mumu. Ija ni go ma kwe mi no ri hore. Iya gbe zaga. Ikwe because we are in your my ba yo na ri nu be there be o ga gba bi gba ri enu e odo bode no so gossip we. O mata mame ge to ge no. De tu we tamame ije be mi o we. Ye ti talo. Ye ti wa talo jo. Because it's italo. Emi mana dame italo, oga dame italo. E ti talo jo. We know they play. You go give me the hair. You know say we know they play. Yeah, you italo your name, you brigand. You know when italo ije hion. But you lied to me. O mata mame we to ge no. Ugo when we den. And you know what happened. We give you Tony same mana. In a year, why we can't waste a serachion. In the process, in here, as a guy many because he was shared to A and B. No one ma. When why I show because why even my neighbor, why even my you ever what? In woman, all send a mess on a fear woo. In a woo do video timely. What where woman for me, but so where me make it no woo. Because if you know my born way, umunya. Ik been a nail where woo can be now. I may not sound a quabble some quawe. Here we got what time where my daughter they say a saga no can ladian but all pay. I know. If not, I for talk and say now my husband get her if I'm a seller. I'll talk and say now my husband get her. Where they say. But I know say if I talk and say now my daughter get her, may we saga no see all be happy. E man ibu the way mo na go follow abeg o ma go for e second don start to dey sell abeg o wa ge de o la o ni pestaza o wa ge de o over sabini o mo so po over sabini mo so we happy yen yes cause o man over sabi bunye gbe mi no mi o mi over sabuni mo so happy yen ni aya gbina ni yiwin re no makaya ni e marketing yen ya hin o ji me decide where ya we. He was a pay because he call me my wigbe. I not get strong mind. And nothing go happen to me. Anytime I feel like if this marriage not they conducive for me again, I go walk out. Nobody can hold me. If it's not they conducive for me, I go walk out. But guess what? I will not walk out. I'm not going nowhere. Me marriage now. Oh, nani me marriage now. Emi ni me be marriage na. If we can't go out. We are here. He go. I know they go. Unless a bad guy do tell me where I know they do again. He gini. He wa boom sleep pass me. Back. I'm not go see my brake lights. And I pray it should not happen. Because if it happen, because now you they feel like Esther must live destiny. Esther must live destiny. Esther must do this. Esther must do that. We must pursue Esther. Okay. Me rien ga go di beba. My husband is a good man. He is a nice man. Odofe o ma fe wa garu yi no don no ri ma yo wa o e mata no. Ami obi odo kere. Ami obi odo tin ne odo uji no gwe ni ko. Iwa respect iwa ri ogo ne. Iwariene to the last. Am I way? Or ma be poor. Wani wa broke in any. Wa miene. Edwa mi wa ba e. Wa we o ma wu. We na we wa akia o. Yo boyen teje. Edwa mi wa ba e. Huh? Wa wo poor. Okay, wa se ani ma be no ya poor ni me dey okay with it. arrive ti Esther must leave. Esther must leave. Wa bet. Ni me bet anyone. Wa ni winere money. And then what time me Wester? Okay, I know they do again. They go. Wa bet. If not be if be kani all that age, you know. Wa can be so. I'm move your hand. Oh, yeah, move your hand. Oh, yeah, move your hand. Oh, makerio. Una go shock. Oh, man, me over your hand. Una go shock. Wa can be at we. When no say no salo ba can I wear me video. E we me gbege but o salo ba on even ke dadore jie. You even know ya can me veni dadora ore. You even know ya bless on my hair to make the person enemies. Say you even know ya we. Okay? You even know ya we. Obi shoku wa. Yen wa ye mo wa game ye mo wa gonna be shoku wa. Wani what anyway you go come out we go driver. Eri wazua. U wazu ojinai. U come me ti ogwa na e. U come. Minister, I wikba. U boevata jina. Ikba. Inye ga itai we irikun when no say na time egbon and wa make na we no ta wi irikun o say na time na because emi nu wa o wa target eri yo the wrong side wa target eri emi nu wa o the wrong side e wa target eri wa target eri side me e o ime igyo dem ma wa be nu wa we na obon wa we side yin we wa saloba wa ge khan no ha wi irikun so that you don't tell me well okay you can when Sabini na be brother solo we no ya bomb butter o we pa o wa bon fium all that me I'm not good that me all the time all the suffer but I will move on. You start looking back. But who what in mama down? Who am I mama down? Making a do one me do away me ma u there. E me go out me do away. He set to do away. I must be who I am.